to install a font. I'm on a PC with Windows 10. I've downloaded the font, which is in a zip format, and I need to unzip this file. Now, it's a good idea to close all your applications just to be on the safe side. Now, this font folder is a compressed folder, and you need to extract what is in it. So while it's selected, click on Extract All and make sure that Show Extracted Files when complete is selected, and click on Extract, and there you have your files. You will see very easily the one that you are looking for is a TTF file, and if you right click on that, you will have an option to say Install. You don't have to worry about where it's going to be installed. It will be installed in the right place. So click on Install, and there you have it. Your font has now been installed. If you want to make sure that your file is in fact installed, it would be in your Windows folder. Windows, and we're looking for fonts, and we are looking for the font that we've just installed, and it should be right there. And there is my font. Now, if you open any application and you want to search for fonts, you will be able to access that particular font.